So we always get this question: who's WICO and what's a dot? What does it mean? What's it make up? What are we talking about? Well, here's who are dots. These are our population estimates from July of 2018 for Wyandotte County. Now, if you look through the data, you can see that the majority of our population is white. However, we also have very large Hispanic and African American populations. Also, when we talk about languages, we have over 25% of our population that speaks a language other than English when they are at home. Additionally, over 15% of the residents of Wyandotte County are from other countries. We have a huge group of people who have immigrated from other parts of the world and have a wealth of knowledge and culture to integrate into our county. Just talking about our own schools. Of our schools, 51% of our students are Hispanic, 27% are Black, 11% are white, 7% are Asian. Now, of those students, there are 63 different languages that they speak. That's 63 different cultures based only on the language that is spoken. And of those, that entire population of our schools, almost half of them are English language learners. So this means we need to be paying attention as teachers to how we are phrasing things. We need to make sure that we are incorporating language development and vocabulary development into our lessons. So what should we do? We should know our role. We should recognize that we are all different. Teachers, students, parents, and other community members. We're all different. We need to embrace that. We need to use the things that each of us is good at to better us as a community and as a school. Also, we need to be open. We need to be open to new people, new ideas, new things. Whether it's a new story that you haven't heard before, whether it's a new type of food that you haven't heard of before or tasted before, or whether it's a TV show that your students are watching in class when they probably shouldn't be. Be open and try new things. Next, we need to listen. We need to be willing to have difficult discussions. We need to be willing to listen to those around us, to listen to those ideas that people are bringing in from all over the world. And finally, we need to engage. We need to engage with our parents, with our students, other faculty, with our administration. We need to make sure that we are willing to work with those who are around us in order to make things better for our students and for our community. In the end, we need to remember that everyone's a dot. No matter where you come from, no matter the person, the creed, whatever it may be that makes you an individual, everyone in Wyandotte County is a dot. And we're all proud to call ourselves that.